Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to check out my videos. This video is going to be a kitchen makeover, as you guys can tell in the title. It was one of our first ever makeovers that we filmed almost 2 years ago now, which is crazy. However, it was in the beginning. I didn't really like the way it was filmed, so I never posted it. However, here it comes. We're getting ready to post it now. So as I said, please be gentle with us. It was one of my first makeover videos ever. However, the reveal was so good and I was still so proud of how it turned out and how far we brought the space. So I really hope that you guys love it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. And without further ado, I hope you enjoyed the video.
You won't cloud.
All right guys, so right here I'm showing you guys how I transformed her countertops. They were tile. Obviously this was on a budget, so there wasn't, replacing it with quartz. So we decided to paint it this bright white color. It's gonna balance out with how everything else turns out in the end. I did research, so I'll try to link down below the products that I used. It was tile paint, and you have to clean really good, sand as well to make sure you get out any impurities, and then paint it. So I'm super glad that we took this step because I think that it made a big difference in the overall makeover.
Talking like you do not know what's up. Talking like you want me to call my bluff. I can make one call my bluff. I can make one call, try me up. Talking like you do not know what's up. Talking like you want me to call my bluff. I can make one call my bluff. I can make one call, try me up. Now I just touched down, send me the address. Wire, no fun, shoot me the cash app. I'm not coming unless it's paid in full. You know the code, you know the rules. I told them, bitch, better have my money. Sad, I'm not bluffing, ain't no capping, that's a fact. Can't believe I gotta mingle with these crabs. Never had to fight a drip, get slapped. And no, I don't want your man, but your man is a fan. Better watch what you say, cause you know I don't play. Talking like you do not know what's up. Talking like you want me to call my bluff. I can make one call my bluff. I can make one call, try me up. Talking like you do not know what's up. Talking like you want me to call my bluff. I can make one call my bluff. I can make one call, try me up.
So in this clip, as you can tell, we are transforming her kitchen cabinets. And in my opinion, this is where the whole makeover started to come together. My cousin requested really dark cabinets, and that's exactly what we gave her. The kit that we used was purchased off of Amazon, and it provided everything that you needed to be able to get this result. So I highly recommend. There are a lot of steps, so if you decide to use this, give yourself enough time. However, I really, 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 really love the way it turned out. First coat is on, and oops, I'm obsessed already. Looks so much better, so much more cohesive. So now we're going to apply my favorite peel and stick backsplash. As you can see, I already put a few panels up. I just wanted to make sure that I was loving how it looked. This is super easy to install, highly recommend, especially if you're a renter. You can use a box cutter to cut to size or a paper cutter, that's what I use. I'll make sure to link one down below in the description. I just got it off of Amazon. I got the peel and stick backsplash off of Amazon as well. And this is going to really transform the space. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your space on a budget, highly recommend installing a peel and stick backsplash. All right, guys, it's time for my favorite part, the reveal. Bear with us because this was filmed at 1 o'clock in the morning. As I said, we weren't very good at YouTube and knowing exactly what clips and how to do it. So please be kind, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this. It was just something I wanted to do for my cousin. I was super glad I got to do this for her space. It was my first kitchen makeover, big one. So I really hope that you guys love this as much as I do. And without further ado, enjoy the reveal.
Well, yeah. Remember what your kitchen looked like.
I know what my kitchen.
Steward on the intercom. If it's your final destination, then welcome home. Raindrops on the windshield, chimneys full of smoke, billowing through the window as we cruise down the road. Please fill up the drain pipe, it hangs on the door. Matt sits on the porch front and says, welcome home. Ain't no place like it. No matter how far I go.
Mine. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful.
Some stuff still wet, so don't touch it.
It is
Just
so
'cause I don't use
beautiful.
it.
Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, thank you guys.
Yeah.
It is so, it's like crazy. It's like,
Different place in here?
yes, it's like,
I agree.
this was my kitchen. Like this whole time. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Look at your job.
Oh, this is so cute.
Ashley.
She said, I know.
I do.
No, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Yep, new place in here.
I'm gonna like.
Your mama up?
No, she's asleep.
No.
She's definitely asleep. But yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Y'all keep noticing things, I'm sure that just happened to me.
No, I love it so much.
Well, that's always great.
No, this is amazing. Like, my table's perfect. This is literally exactly, is this what? This is exactly how I wanted it. Like, exactly. This is amazing. I was like, oh my gosh. That's pink, okay. Nice. This is beautiful.
All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. This is one of my first ever makeovers. I think it turned out so good, although the clips and the quality of the video isn't as good as I would want. I still really, really, really loved how it came out and loved the space, and I love that I was able to do this for my cousin. So yeah, I hope you guys loved it, and as always, I want to thank you guys for supporting me and sticking around to see what else I make over. Hopefully there will be lots and lots and lots of more makeovers. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow me over here, right here somewhere on Instagram. I'm much more active over there and I post on my stories as well. Sometimes it's home decor related. So make sure you check me out. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.